Rosansky Hall is one of the biggest lecture halls on our campus, and you will find yourself coming here every day during your first and second year. We also have a swimming pool inside, and we have basketball courts and badminton courts too. We also have room for recreational activities like yoga classes and Zumba classes for all the students. We have all the notable alumni right here, the honorary doctorates right here, and the Lang School scholars over there. So this is basically Lang School's Hall of Fame. So this is the canon that belongs to UOG, and the significance is student groups are allowed to camp here overnight and repaint this. So this is not how you see it always. It changes and people camp here overnight and they paint over it. So this is how we see it right now, and I've seen it in all the different possible colors. Every UOG student camps here in exam season. We have a huge Starbucks inside that lets you take your coffee and study here. So it has 6 different levels. The first floor is a group study, and so is the second and third floor, but there is a quiet study on the 5th and 6th floor if you want to get a private room and study there alone. Creelman Hall is absolutely the prettiest food court on campus. I come here all the time in my first year, and first year students love this place a lot, and the food here is absolutely amazing.